Press down, you can see one spray, press up, other spray. Okay.
On today's video, we're going to show toilet bidet attachment accessory with manual control and hook up for cold water. It only takes 20 minutes to install. Stay tuned for the whole video.
Alright, so today we're going to add an accessory to this toilet. It's a bidet. So these kits are actually quite inexpensive and easy to install. And then your function, selection, and water pressure is right here. So let's just make sure that we have enough space, and we do. So the nozzle are here. Front wash, your rear wash. This particular bidet is only 6 millimeters, which is 0.2 inches, and it fits 96% of two-piece toilet seats and maintains the toilet seat level. It only uses 0.1 gallons for cleansing, which will help you save 70% on toilet paper. In addition to the bidet piece itself, you've got some Teflon tape, you've got the adapter with an extension, you have your circular mounted bracket, flexible hose, your water inlet is here. This is where you connect our hose to. So let's go and close this first. Flush the water. Make sure that there's no water coming in. So let's go and remove this. Now before we attach this, we want to get some Teflon tape. So here's what it should look like. Some Teflon at the top and some Teflon right here on the side. Once you have the Teflon on, make sure you put in this gasket before you tighten it up. And just screw this back in to where the previous pipe was attached. Screwing this in first is going to make it easier for you later. You don't need Teflon on that plastic. But if you want to put it in, go ahead. Then you're going to take the hose connected to the bidet and thread it onto the side with the Teflon. Here you're going to want to use your wrench. Then to take this and screw it into here. And this one should have Teflon on. You can prop these with this. So remove these screws. And underneath you're going to notice there's a piece as well. So once you remove the covers, take your bidet plastic and place it over. Now you're going to bump this obviously against this edge. And now we are going to grab these. These, you put it against this and here. And these are going to go basically with these holes. Put your lid on top of the plastic. As you can see, now we're gonna put our screws in. All right, so these are on. Just make sure that this works and that works. So the soft closing works great. Let's go turn on our water. Make sure there's no leaks. So the first time you may have